Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Spicy Kitchenary. In today's Ramadan special, I'm making aloo samosa. Let's prepare our samosa dough first. I'm using all-purpose flour 6 cups. (1.5 tablespoons of salt, carom seeds or ajwain half teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Then add half a cup of vegetable shortening. Mix vegetable shortening with the flour really well. I'm using water for kneading. Knead it well. Dough should not be soft, neither hard. Our dough is ready. Cover it until used. Let's prepare our potato fillings. I'm using 5 lbs of potatoes, adding 1 tablespoon of salt in it. Boil it until completely soft. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt in boiled potatoes, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 cup of cilantro, I'm mashing my potato a little bit with the ingredients, not too much. We don't want it to be completely mashed. I'm adding half a teaspoon of garam masala in it. Mash and mix again. Take some of the non-spicy mixture out if someone in your family can't eat spicy food. Then add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder in it. Green hot chilies 3 thinly sliced. Mix it all together. Our potato filling is ready. Let's make our samosas. I take little bit of dough and shape it round with the help of my hand. Then roll it. We don't want it to be really thin. Cut it in half. It will make 2 samosas. Take one corner of the dough, add a little bit of water, then overlap the other corner on top of it. Press gently so it can stick together. Then add potato filling in between. Then add water to the corner and close it in the same manner as I'm doing it. Press it gently so it can stick together. Our aloo samosa is ready. This is another way of making samosa. It makes 1 samosa at a time. All the procedures are the same as before, it's just it makes 1 samosa. It makes 50 to 60 aloo samosas. You can freeze it. 1 hour before frying, take it out and let it defrost. Fry it in a medium-low heat until it's golden brown in color. When it's golden brown in color, take it out and serve it hot with green chutney. I hope you all liked the video. Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.